Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookie dough without brown sugar, updated. Cream room temperature butter and granulated sugar until light, then beat in egg and vanilla. Add a tablespoon of molasses or maple syrup to replicate brown sugar depth. Fold in flour, baking soda, and salt, then stir in chocolate chips. Chill briefly for easier shaping, then bake until edges are golden for chewy. I will explain practical swaps for brown sugar and how they change texture and flavor. Use 1 tablespoon of molasses or maple syrup per cup of white sugar for the closest match. Honey is workable, but expect faster browning and a slightly different taste. You can also try dark corn syrup for softness, or reduce liquid elsewhere in the recipe by a tablespoon if your dough feels too wet. I will help you manage texture so cookies bake consistently without brown sugar. If you add syrup, cut 1 tablespoon of another liquid or chill dough longer to control spread. Measure flour carefully and bake on a lined sheet for even color. Check cookies a minute early since syrup promotes faster browning. Let cookies cool on the sheet briefly before transferring so they set properly and stay chewy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.